Welcome to Content Archive Strategy. In today's session, we'll explore how to organize, manage, and maximize the value of all your creative work. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, learning to build an effective archive system can save you time and multiply your content's impact. Many creators face a common challenge. They produce great content, but over time, it gets lost, forgotten, or buried. Videos disappear into archives, blog posts are never discovered by new audiences, and the effort put into creating that content goes to waste. This scattered approach means missing opportunities to reuse and repurpose existing work. A well-organized content archive is like building an asset library for your business. It saves time by preventing duplicate work. It increases visibility because you can surface old content to new audiences. It multiplies returns on investment by getting more mileage from each piece of content you create. And it builds authority as people discover your complete body of work. Building an effective archive starts with three core foundations. First, centralization. Store all your content in one accessible location, whether that's a database, shared drive, or content management system. Second, consistency. Use the same naming conventions and formats across all content. Third, sustainability. Create a system that's easy to maintain and scale as your content library grows. Organize your content using multiple categorization systems. By content type, separate videos, articles, podcasts, and infographics. By topic, group content around themes or subjects you cover. By audience, organize by who the content targets, like beginners or professionals. By date, maintain chronological records for easy time-based searches. Using multiple methods makes content easier to find and discover. Metadata is information about your content. Add titles, descriptions, keywords, and tags to every piece. Include creation dates, formats, performance metrics like views or engagement, and status notes like published or draft. Use consistent tagging across all content so searches work effectively. Good metadata transforms a pile of files into a searchable, discoverable library. Choose the right tools for storing and accessing your archive. Cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox offer accessibility from anywhere. Content management systems organize everything with built-in search features. Databases provide powerful organization for large archives. Create a backup system to prevent loss. Make sure your chosen system is accessible to your entire team. A content archive strategy brings everything together. Start by auditing all existing content and organizing it systematically. Establish clear naming conventions and metadata standards. Set up your chosen storage and access system. Create regular backup routines. Document your archive process so team members follow the same standards. This foundation makes everything that follows possible. Once your archive is organized, repurposing becomes powerful. Transform one piece into multiple formats. Turn a video into a blog post, infographic, or podcast episode. Update older content with fresh data and new examples. Repackage existing content for different audiences, like creating beginner and advanced versions. Combine multiple pieces into mashups or roundup posts. Extract data and insights for new content. Cross-promote archived content on social media and newsletters to reach new audiences. A well-organized archive saves time and multiplies your content's value exponentially. Proper categorization and metadata enable discovery and leverage of your work. Repurposing strategies maximize return on investment for every piece of content you create. Start building your content archive system today and unlock the full potential of everything you've created.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.